front of me is Honor 400 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and click on all photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here, select Folders, tap on a photo, hit Folders again, and tap on all the other ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!